What is driving the change in insurance? Here's what we're seeing across the US. Especially in high-claim states like Texas, are under growing pressure. Numerous insurance companies are going into receivership every year and others have to continue to tighten their standards. They're scrutinizing claims, labor, and material costs have surged, demanding better documentation, which causes delay and slower payouts. Increased litigation and liability exposure are skyrocketing. All are major problems to solve. Progressive Insurance Company has halted homeowners' insurance policies, and this isn't the only major insurance company to do so in Texas. Foremost Insurance, a holding of Farmers Insurance, had temporarily stopped writing and renewing new policies. One of the largest Texas insurance carriers has also been struggling to turn a profit in recent years, reporting a pre-tax loss of $398 million in 2023. Watch for more updates in your inbox. And don't forget to join the conversation on our blog at planetsaferoof.com. Join the movement. Franchise with Planet Safe Roof Repair. The roofing industry is changing, and Planet Safe Roof Repair is leading the way. Now is your chance to be part of the future. A proven system, a patented technology, backed by over a decade of expertise, and aligned with evolving insurance standards. Don't get left behind. Be a part of something bigger. Call now to secure your franchise and join the Planet Safe movement today. Contact us at any of the listed websites. Watch for more updates in your inbox. And don't forget to join the conversation on our blog at planetsaferoof.com.